Hey! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display time in minutes. First, enter your time values. In the cell where you want the minutes to appear, type equals, and select your cell with time. Right-click on cell and select Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog, go to the Number tab and select Custom. In the Type box, enter M in square brackets. Click OK to apply the format. Now, as we can see, 1.5 hours changes to 90 minutes. Now you can try different times to see if it works. If you don't want seconds in your time, you can right-click, choose Format Cell, and choose only hours and minutes format. And that's it! With a simple formatting change, you can view your times directly in minutes without any formulas. If you enjoyed this quick Excel tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back for more useful Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.